Hi everyone, in today's video, we will look at 11 no-cook recipes that will keep you cool, energized, and light all day. Packed with hydrating and digestion-friendly ingredients, they're ideal for hot weather. You'll stay full without the heaviness, thanks to smart ingredient combinations. Check out the full recipes in the description and pinned comments. Avocado is packed with healthy fats that keep you full without feeling heavy. It cools the body and provides essential vitamins that boost skin and hair health in summer. This recipe is also great for digestion and helps balance hormones. It is rich in fiber, which keeps your gut happy and supports weight loss. Plus, no cooking needed, just fresh, natural ingredients. Avocados also contain potassium, which helps maintain hydration and prevents muscle cramps in hot weather. To make it, mash avocado, add lemon and salt, and spread it on whole wheat toast. Curd rice is a natural coolant, perfect for hot weather. It helps in digestion, prevents bloating, and keeps your gut bacteria healthy. This dish is rich in probiotics, which support PCOS and thyroid health. Rice provides instant energy, making it a great breakfast choice. And the best part? It's soothing, light, and hydrating. Adding cumin or curry leaves can further enhance digestion and reduce bloating. Mix cooked rice with fresh curd, salt, and cumin powder. Garnish with coriander leaves and serve. Oats are packed with fiber, keeping you full for longer. Soaking them overnight makes them easier to digest and perfect for summer. This dish regulates blood sugar, making it ideal for PCOS and thyroid health. It also provides slow-releasing energy, preventing sugar cravings. And the best part? It's creamy, delicious, and can be customized with fruits and nuts. Adding chia seeds boosts the fiber and omega-3 content, making it even more nutritious. Soak oats in milk or curd overnight. Add honey, chia seeds, and sliced fruits in the morning. Stir well and enjoy cold. Fruits are hydrating, full of vitamins, and easy to digest. They provide instant energy without making you feel bloated. Fruits like watermelon, papaya, and oranges are great for glowing skin and gut health. They are naturally sweet, preventing unhealthy cravings. A simple fruit plate is the easiest, most refreshing summer breakfast. Pairing fruits with nuts or yogurt can improve nutrient absorption and keep you fuller for longer. Cut fresh seasonal fruits like mango, berries, and melon. Sprinkle some rock salt and lemon juice for a refreshing twist. Sattu is a superfood that cools the body and keeps energy levels high. It is rich in protein, making it perfect for weight loss and muscle health. This drink is great for digestion and controls acidity in hot weather. It also helps in hormone balance, making it beneficial for PCOS and thyroid. A chilled sattu smoothie is the best way to start your summer morning. You can add lemon and black salt for extra flavor and better digestion. Mix sattu powder with chilled water, lemon juice, and a pinch of black salt. Stir well and enjoy cold. Jowar is gluten-free, easy to digest, and keeps the stomach light. It provides steady energy without spiking blood sugar levels. Rich in fiber, it supports weight loss and gut health. Combined with milk, it becomes a complete meal packed with protein and calcium. This is a cooling, nourishing, and simple breakfast. Adding jaggery or cardamom enhances the taste and provides natural sweetness. Pour chilled milk over jowar flakes, add nuts and honey, and enjoy instantly. Makhana and peanuts provide a crunchy, protein-packed meal that keeps you full. They are rich in good fats that support weight loss and balance hormones. This dish is excellent for gut health and digestion. It also helps in cooling the body and preventing bloating. Plus, it's super easy to prepare. Roasting them with a pinch of rock salt and black pepper boosts flavor and metabolism. Mix roasted makhana with peanuts, chopped cucumber, and lemon juice. Enjoy. Chia seeds and oats are rich in fiber, making you feel full for hours. This dish cools the body and provides steady energy. It is great for gut health, hormone balance, and glowing skin. The natural sweetness makes it a perfect summer treat. Plus, it's a no-cook, ready-to-eat meal. Topping it with soaked nuts or coconut shavings enhances both taste and nutrition. Soak oats and chia seeds in milk overnight. Add honey, nuts, and fruits in the morning and enjoy chilled. Ragi is rich in calcium and helps cool the body. It is perfect for digestion and keeps sugar levels stable. This drink provides instant energy, preventing fatigue in summer. It also supports weight loss and hormonal balance. A chilled glass of ragi malt is refreshing and healthy. Adding a little cardamom or nutmeg enhances its cooling properties and improves sleep quality. Mix ragi flour with buttermilk, add salt and cumin powder. Stir well and serve. Paneer wrap is a protein-rich, filling breakfast that keeps you full for hours. It provides steady energy without spiking blood sugar, making it great for PCOS and thyroid health. The fiber from whole wheat wraps and fresh veggies improves digestion and prevents bloating. Paneer is also rich in calcium and supports bone health. This wrap is light, tasty, and requires minimal oil, making it perfect for weight loss. Adding mint chutney or hung curd enhances flavor while keeping it refreshing for summer. Take one leftover roti, spread mint coriander chutney, add a few slices of tomato and cucumber, add crumbled paneer, season with salt and pepper, wrap and enjoy. Lassi is the ultimate cooling drink for summer. It aids digestion, prevents bloating, and keeps the stomach light. The probiotics in curd improve gut health. It is naturally sweet, reducing sugar cravings. A simple, refreshing, and healthy drink. Adding mint or roasted cumin can enhance its digestive benefits and give a refreshing twist. Blend curd with water, honey, and cardamom. Serve. Here are some important tips to keep in mind. Always use fresh ingredients to get the best taste and maximum nutrition. Have your breakfast before 10 a.m. to keep your energy levels stable throughout the day. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water to avoid summer fatigue and keep your digestion smooth. Choose homemade meals over store-bought options to avoid hidden sugars and unhealthy fats. These small habits will help you feel light, energetic, and healthy all summer long. In today's video, we've learned some important tips for a healthy summer breakfast routine. Using fresh ingredients ensures you get the best taste and nutrition, while having breakfast before 10 a.m. helps maintain your energy throughout the day. Staying hydrated is key to avoiding fatigue and keeping your digestion in check. Opting for homemade meals rather than store-bought ensures you avoid unhealthy sugars and fats. Follow these tips to stay energized, light, and healthy this summer. By making small, mindful choices, you'll feel your best and enjoy the season fully. If you're interested in a personalized, free diet plan to support your PCOS, thyroid or weight loss journey, simply fill out the form provided in the description box. By completing the form, you'll receive a tailored plan that aligns with your needs and preferences, making it easier to manage your symptoms naturally. Don't miss out on this free resource created just for you. Thank you for watching. We hope these tips help you stay cool, energized, and on track with your health goals this summer. Remember, simple changes can make a big difference, and every small step counts towards feeling your best. Keep exploring fresh, healthy breakfast options to start your day right. Don't forget to hydrate and stay mindful of your food choices to maintain balance. Until next time, take care and enjoy the sunny days ahead with a healthy mindset.